In 1964, Ford changed the automotive world forever with the release of the Mustang. People went crazy for it. Ford expected to sell 150,000 in the first year, but it took 22,000 orders on the day it was revealed at the World Fair in New York, and over the first 12 months it sold 418,000. People loved the style, they loved the price, but most of all they loved the performance and soon wanted more of it. This led to Ford developing the A-Code, and that brings us to the car we have with us today. This is a genuine 65 A-Code Fastback, which means the 4.7 litre V8 got a 4-barrel carby and higher compression ratio, lifting power from 200 to 225 brake horsepower, along with a shorter diff ratio to make it feel even more lively. This is also a GT, which added rocker panel stripes, disc brakes, and a 5-gauge instrument cluster. As you can see, it's a cosmetic replica of a Shelby GT350, and it's a good one, right down to details like the center caps in the 15-inch Craigar wheels and the plexiglass quarter windows. The colour is sapphire blue with white Le Mans stripes, and if you think it looks in good condition, you don't know the half of it. Back in 2017, this car was subject to a complete bare metal, nut and bolt rotisserie restoration with no expense spared. We won't share the number, but it was a big one. And given it's only covered a few thousand kilometres since, it's effectively in brand new condition. But this lovely looking exterior hides a bit of a secret under the bonnet. As mentioned, this being an A-Code Mustang means it had a little extra grunt from factory, but now it's got a lot of extra grunt. It's a built motor with a dart block and a stroker kit that expands capacity from 289 to 331 cubic inches, or 4.7 to 5.4 litres, and topped by a Paxton Supercharger. Safe to say we're looking at a little more than that original 225 horsepower. It's backed by a 3-speed auto and an LSD with a 3.55 to 1 diff, and there's power steering and power brakes. The word for this car is smooth. The power is smooth, the noise is smooth, the ride is smooth. With the assisted steering and brakes, it doesn't really require any effort to drive it. It would be a lovely car to just cruise along in with the windows down. Only not today, because it's freezing. The engine isn't in a particularly high state of tune, which makes it feel completely factory. There's not a stumble or a hesitation or a hiccup, just seamless power with a soundtrack to match. Because let's face it, this is why you want this car. It's been lowered with genuine Shelby springs at the front and lowered leaves at the rear, but the ride remains compliant and comfortable. This is a genuine turnkey muscle car experience. The obvious question to ask with a car like this is, well, if it's so good, why is it being sold? Well, owner Lance loves this car, but sadly life gets in the way. He's busy and has barely had time to drive it since he bought it, so he's decided to free up some space and let someone else enjoy it. That person could be you, but it's exclusively available through RR Auctions, and remember that auctions end every Wednesday. Happy bidding.